Hey guys, welcome back to Auto One. Whether it's on a holiday or a long weekend away, there's nothing worse than your car breaking down hundreds of kilometers away from home. It's dangerous, expensive, and it'll ruin the trip for everyone. So today, we're walking through 5 things to check before you leave, plus a quick fire round of a few extras at the end. Everything here can be done in your driveway in about 20 minutes. No hoist, no mechanic, so let's go. Number 1, and the most common one, your battery. A dead battery means you're not going anywhere. First, check the date on it. Most batteries have a sticker or a stamp showing when they were installed. If it's over 3 years old, you're on borrowed time. 4 years, you're pushing it. And batteries perform worse in extreme heat or cold. So an okay battery that seems fine at home might not last the trip. Now, look at the terminals. If you see a white or bluey green crusty buildup, that's corrosion hindering charge. Scrub it off with baking soda, warm water, and an old toothbrush. Dry it, reconnect it, then grab each connector and wiggle to ensure it's tight. If it moves, snug it down with a 10mm spanner. 10 seconds. Once it's clean and tight, spray it with a battery terminal protector. CRC make a great one for a couple of bucks. If you want to know for sure if your battery's healthy, a load tester will tell you. We stock those at Auto One, along with a wide range of batteries. Make sure to throw in a set of jumper cables or a portable jump starter. Even if your battery's fine, you might just help a mate. Number 2, tyres. A blowout on the highway can be really dangerous. We're checking 3 things: condition, tread, and pressure. Condition. Look at all 4 tyres, tread face and sidewalls. Any nails, screws, or debris in the tread, pull it out and get it repaired. On the sidewalls, look for bulges. That means the internal structure is damaged and the tyre can pop. Don't drive on it. Also, look for cracking as tyres degrade from age, and UV even if the tread looks fine. Tread. Legal minimum is 1.5mm, but aim for at least 3mm before a long trip, especially if it looks like rain. For a couple of bucks, use a tread depth gauge. Check the inside centre and outside of each tyre. Uneven wear means you've got an alignment issue worth sorting. Pressure. Check cold first thing in the morning. Your correct pressure is on the placard in your vehicle. A 12-volt compressor is one of the best road trip investments you can make. And yes, we carry a solid range at Auto One. Now, the tyre everyone forgets, your spare. Get it out, check its pressure, and make sure you've got the jack, wheel brace, and if your car has a locking wheel nut, the key socket. Know where everything is before you're on the side of the road in the dark. If your car doesn't come with a spare, a tyre plug kit and portable compressor become essential. We stock those too, and a can of this is very handy. Number 3 is coolant. If your engine overheats, you're pulling over immediately, or you're looking at serious damage. Head gaskets, warped heads, none of it's cheap. With the engine cold, check the level in the overflow reservoir against the min and max lines. If it's below the minimum, top it up and figure out why, because coolant just doesn't disappear. If it's going somewhere, you've got a leak. Look at the colour too. It should be bright and clean. The most common colours are red, green and blue. A safety note to always remember that you should never open a radiator cap when the engine is hot. The engine and system is pressurised and can get seriously burned. While you're here, give the coolant hoses a squeeze. Firm and smooth is good. Mushy, crunchy or cracked means that your hose is on the way out. And a hose that lets go on highway speed dumps all of your coolant in minutes. Also, check the front of your radiator through the grille. If it's packed with bugs and debris, a gentle garden hose spray will clear this out. This is especially important before driving in the summer heat. Use the correct coolant type for your car, as mixing types can cause blockages. We carry the full range at Auto One and can match it to your vehicle. Number 4, and this one can leave you completely stranded with zero warning, your Serpentine belt. One belt that drives your alternator, water pump, aircon, and often your power steering. If it snaps, you're losing that all at once. Grab a torch, look at the rib side. You're looking for cracks running across the ribs or missing chunks. Check the flat back side too. Cracks and fraying there is just as bad. If it's showing any wear, replace it before the trip. And here's a tip. Even if your belt looks okay and it's getting older, buy a replacement and throw it in the boot. They're cheap, flat, take up no space, and if it snaps in the middle of nowhere, having the right belt means that a roadside assist mechanic can do it right there for you. Bring your rego details into Auto One and we'll match the right belt for your car. Number 5 is engine oil. Critically low oil can cause catastrophic engine damage, and no one wants a 5-figure repair bill on holidays. Check the dipstick. You want the level between the 2 marks, ideally closer to the upper. Now, check the colour. Wipe it on a clean rag. Clear amber is fresh, dark brown is normal for older oil, but pitch black, gritty or burnt smelling, change it before the trip. Use the grade in your owner's manual. If you're not sure, we'll match the right oil to your car at Auto One. All right, it's rapid fire time. 5 bonus checks, 30 seconds each. Dashboard lights. Turn the key to on without starting the engine. Everything should line up, then switch off again. Anything is staying on, you should investigate it before you leave. Brakes. Look through your wheel spokes at the pad thickness. If you're hearing a squeal when braking, that's the wear indicator telling you that the pads are done. Don't ignore it and drive 1,000 kilometres. Lights. Park facing a wall. Run through the headlights, high beam, indicators, brake lights and reverse. Wipers. Test their performance. Streaks and smears, replace the blades. And whilst you're at it, top up the washer fluid. Other fluids, transmission, power steering, brake fluid, quick visual check on each reservoir. If anything's low, dark or leaking, sort it before you go. We carry all of this at Auto One. Blades, bulbs, fluids, brake fluids, the lot. Last thing, throw a basic kit in the boot. Jumper cables, torch, a basic tool set, tyre plug kit and that 12-volt compressor. If you're heading remote, add some extra water, a first aid kit and tell someone you're out. Do all this a week before you leave, as it gives you time to fix everything without rushing. If you need anything, come and see us at Auto One, in store or online. Safe travels and we'll see you out there.